Hello and welcome to adding a custom link to your course navigation. Adding a custom link is really easy to do and can make it easier for students to find links that they commonly use within your course, such as a link to your open educational resource or online textbook, or it could be just a quick link to your course Q&A or other item within your Canvas course. So I'm going to jump into my sandbox and show you how easy this is. All right, I am on my homepage and I'm going to scroll down in the course navigation, that white strip to your left, and go all the way down until I find settings at the very bottom. On our settings page, we are going to see different tabs at the top here. We are going to click on the navigation tab here because we want to edit the course navigation menu. On the navigation tab, you will see there are two main sections. This first one at the top, which are the items that are enabled and students can view with just a couple of exceptions. Next, we'll see a button that says add a link, and this is the item that we're going to use in just a moment here. And then in the second section, this is where the disabled or hidden apps are. So we're going to click on that button in between those two sections, add a link, and then within the pop-up window, we have two text boxes. The top one is for your text. This is what you want students to see in the course navigation menu. This could be the name of your OER, or it could be a quick link to your course Q&A. Whatever text you want your students to see, add it here in the top box. For the link at the bottom, you are going to go to your URL or web address or the search bar at the top of the page that you want to link to. So this may require you to open up another tab so that you can grab that link and then add it back into here. So if it already has an HTTP or HTTPS, you can delete this part here and then just paste in your URL. When you're ready, click Add, and that will add it to your course navigation menu. That will return you to your navigation page where you should see it somewhere within this top section. Whenever you find your newly added link, you can grab the set of dots that are just to the left of that name and drag and drop it to the exact location you would like it to display for your students. Once you have it in the location you like, make sure you click that Save button and this will refresh your page. If you do not see your brand new link here within your course navigation, you may need to refresh your page again or navigate to another part of your course like the home page. Then you should see it within your course navigation. So I hope you've seen how easy it is to add your own custom link to help students navigate your course more efficiently, and I hope you have a great day.